All right, the exotic car exhibit, my favorite part, the Competizone cars. These were here last year, but we do have a few different ones. We've got the 355 Tommy Hilfiger Challenge car, 360, I think it's a Challenge, 430, and we're moving fast here, guys, because I'm low on battery. 458, these look great in the light. We have here, this was not here last year. This is pretty cool. I do not know much about this one. I know it's a Ferrari. I believe it's a 458. And we've got a lot of cool race cars. A lot of cool race cars. I mean, this is how they're supposed to be used, right? This is how you're supposed to use these cars. This was great to see. This is a 512 Berlinetta Boxer. Paint looks amazing. Loving the wheels and tires. We have a 308 or a 328. We have an F40. A V12 Ferrari that is immaculate. You gotta love these. I love the yellow and the black. Maserati, that color really pops on the Maserati. Superleggera badge on the hood, they're right there. Yeah, Superleggera badge on the hood. Let's see. And I'm forgetting the names of some of these, which is embarrassing, but it's hard to keep up with everything, man. I know these are front engine V12. The Daytona, right? Yeah, the Daytona, but I can't remember the numbers. And we have a 575 Maranello here. It's an F1 car. Lamborghini Countach. That's a great color, it really pops. Black wheels. And I'm 90% sure that this isn't factory, but it looks great. Maybe the color is, but the wheels I'm pretty sure aren't. But again, I could be wrong. We have some modern Ferraris here. We have a 430 Spider. Again, sorry guys, I know I'm moving fast, but it's... We have an F8 Spider. 488 Spider. A lot of Spiders here today. And 288 GTB. Color really pops in the light. Look at those carbon ceramics. Serious wheels. And we're going to go down the back here. Okay, so we're back to the 355 challenge, 360, 430, 458. I think these are 458. Comment below. I should know this. And I love this. This just looks so cool, man. The Berlinetta Boxer. BB 512. That is a cool car, man. That is so cool. You know, it doesn't have the performance. It's probably not any faster, you know, around town than a standard, than like a Civic Type R. A Civic Type R is probably faster. Maybe even a Camry, but it just has so much soul, you know? And we're losing that with these digital cars, electric cars, giant screens. All right, enough about that. I've been bitching all day about that. I'm gonna try not to complain about electric cars, at least for the next hour. So 328 GTS. The 328 has bigger wheels and tires. F40, gotta love the F40. God, that's gorgeous. The Daytona, man, look at the Daytona. I feel bad having to move so fast, like I'm skipping over these cars, but Maserati 3500 GT, look at that, look at the dash. I don't know if you can really see the dash from here, but it looks so good. Another Daytona, and this really has some fat tires on the back that look really cool. I don't know if they're factory size or if they're upgraded. They've been upgraded, but they look great. A red interior. Oh, this is so cool. And the 575 right here, which is a F1 gearbox. All right, guys, moving on. Stay tuned for more content. Got this lounge area right here. All right, guys, that's it for now. Stay tuned for more content.